We live in a busy world, and it's only getting busier. With tablets, smartphones, countless apps, and online tools, we are surrounded by technology. Even with notifications and multiple cloud calendars synced across all of our devices, we still seem to miss things. Sometimes, a complex world needs a simple product.
Hi, my name is Igor and I'm a founder of Watch. We wanted to create a product to make your life easier. We combine the watch and a calendar.
So meet Calendar Watch. Modern, beautifully designed, and intuitively perceptive. Your daily calendar in a digital form that is always visible, complemented by stylish analog features. This is it. No buttons or unnecessary functionality. Something new and completely different. This is a new way to look at time. Okay, so here's how it works. The watch is synced with your favorite digital calendar through the app. Dark segments are scheduled meetings, while the light ones mean free time. The watch dynamically shows you the next 12 hours, living with you and clearing your meetings as they happen. You can see further ahead by double tapping on the watch's glass. The watch allows you to discreetly check what's coming up and alerts you with vibration and visual indicators. And, of course, it keeps time automatically, even when you change time zones. As well as all this, the Calendar Watch is not one more thing to charge daily. The battery lasts for weeks and keeps your schedule with you, even when your smartphone dies. Now you can see your day at a glance, knowing when you'll be busy and when you'll be free, all by looking at your wrist. The Calendar Watch saves time, grants you peace of mind, and helps to free you from your phone. Not a bad thing in today's world. Above all, we wanted to create an elegant and durable timepiece using the best materials, stainless steel body, genuine leather straps, and domed sapphire glass, together with a traditional movement. We've extended the lugs to travel through the sides of the watch, giving a very distinctive look, and we've also made them interchangeable, allowing you to swap in differently colored lugs, enabling you to create a unique timepiece. We're launching the Calendar Watch in 3 different colors: polar white, aqua blue, and the special edition gunmetal black. Hello?
Happy birthday!
Yeah, definitely. What time again?
Okay, Google, add more frosting to the shopping list.
I really think we should use this one. Okay, Google, take a note. Mark M5204 for the entrance wall.
There's moderate traffic from your location.
Okay, Google. Send a message to Miles.
Okay, Google. Navigate to the nearest gift shop.
Head south on 36th Street.
Happy birthday! Yay!
Before we started designing the smartwatch, we asked ourselves one important question. Everybody has his own ideal watch, a watch he truly desires. But what smartwatch does a consumer really want? It is their ideas that inspired us to create this piece.
Many of the classic watches are round-shaped. That's why we've chosen a classic round-shaped case. Meanwhile, we've maintained the characteristic of a watch lug, the watch bezel, and the crown. We have specially designed a number of watch faces for customers to choose from. The diameter of the watch surface is 42 millimeters. It is the most compact design in round-shaped watches. We have also designed straps that fit women's wrists. We have plenty of choices in the materials and designs of the straps, no matter whether you prefer a stainless steel strap or a leather one. All the straps are interchangeable. We are fully aware of the desires of our consumers. they appreciate true craftsmanship, as in the making of luxury watches. We've chosen sapphire glass as the watch surface, the same material as in other luxury watches. The smooth stainless steel unibody is meticulously made by a multiple of procedures, with masterful polishing, which gives it an even richer feel. A smartwatch, of course, needs to be smart within.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.